Hello, today we will guide you through how to give Claude access to your local files. To begin, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is a good starting point because it places you inside the main workspace, where you can access your account controls and settings. Once the page is loaded, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your account area. This is where Claude keeps user-level options, including configuration settings for tools and integrations. After opening the account menu, click on Settings. In the Settings area, you'll find different sections that control how Claude works and what services it can connect to. For this setup, the section you need is called Connectors. Click on Connectors to continue. This area is used to manage external connections and add new capabilities, including access to files and other supported services. When the Connectors page opens, move to the top right and click Add. This begins the process of setting up a new connector. After that, click Browse Connectors. This will open the available connector library where you can search for the tool you want Claude to use. In the search field, type File System. Be sure to enter the term clearly so the correct connector appears in the results. Once you see File System listed, click on it to open the connector details. This is the option that allows Claude to work with files stored on your local machine, depending on the permissions you grant during setup. Next, click Download. At this point, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the installation and connection process. The exact prompts may vary a little depending on your device or browser. So take your time and read each screen carefully. If your system asks for permission to install, open, or allow access, review the request before proceeding. This is an important part of giving Claude access in a secure and controlled way. As you move through the setup, make sure you only approve the folders or file access you intend to share. That helps keep your workspace organized and protects anything you do not want included. Once you finish the on-screen steps, the file system connector should be added to Claude, allowing it to interact with your local files as permitted. If something does not appear right away, give the page a moment to refresh or revisit the connectors section to confirm the installation completed successfully. That's it. You've now gone through the process of giving Claude access to your local files.